I actually bought this Weaning set. You know, my baby is already 6 months, so and then we yeah, sit down, sit down, sit down. Let's do video, okay? Sit down. Hello everybody, hi everyone, good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. Today video will be unboxing. We'll be doing an unboxing video, okay? So we'll be unboxing the product we got online vendor. So I actually bought this Weaning set. You know, my baby is already 6 months, so and then we bought this Weaning set for her, like feeding set. So it's a feeding set, so we are going to unbox it together and see what is inside and see how beautiful it is, okay? So let's go. So and oh, I don't go there, stop. Yeah, take it. Echo Daddy, hello, hello. So this is a suction bowl. So beautiful. I love this color. You know, this is from a Jiden. I don't know if I can say the name. Jiden. I don't know. Okay, I think yeah, Jiden. So this is from Jiden. I bought this suction bowl from Jiden. It's a Weaning set. Okay, so I love this bowl and I love this color. One thing I love about this set is that when you put it on the table, so the baby cannot easily kick it up. So and it's fine. I love it. And I like that it's silicone. It's non-plastic. It's silicone. Okay. So this is Mama, hold on. This is cup. This suction cup. I think it comes with a straw. Suction cup. Then I will show you guys the straw. Okay, this is suction cup. It's very fine. I love it, and I love the fact that they crested their name on it. Okay, I love it so much. So it also comes it also comes with extra cover. The suction cup, you can just remove this when you are not using when baby is not drinking water or taking anything with the straw. So you can just cover it. So you can just cover it with this one. Yeah. So cover it with this one. So this is how it looks like when you cover it. It doesn't spill even when you put anything inside. So it's very nice. I love it. Okay? Love it. So and it comes, yeah, it's compartment. This is compartment bowl. It also comes with a compartment bowl. Yeah, so you can put food here. You can put food here. You can put snack here. Put snack here. So you can see how beautiful. So beautiful. I love it. I love the fact that they asked me for the color I wanted. So I told them pink. I love the pink. I love the color so much. So it's suction bowl. Yeah, it also come with this bib, silicone bib. You just put on your baby's neck, mama. Yeah. Come and put on your baby's neck and you pin it. Do that and be like, oh, so fun, so beautiful. Yeah, so fun. So come with that, with this bib here, silicone bib, and then yeah, it also comes with this spoon and a fork. See how beautiful they are. The spoon and a fork. So yeah, this is the straw that comes with the cup. Straw that comes with the cup. So I just, this is how you do it. Not like this, like this, whichever way. Yeah, just put it straight inside. Let's see. I think it fits it inside. Yeah, fits it inside. Put it inside. So fine. Just drink. Just give it to your baby to drink. Start drinking water. Cup is so fine. I love it. So lovely. Okay. Mama, come here. You come with this spoon. So that okay. Then we also bought it also come with this matcha bowl. I've been expecting this matcha bowl, honestly. It come with this matcha bowl. This thing that matcha bowl. So you can just match match egg. So either egg, some some food, some your baby food. Can just match instead of blending. You can just match it. Love it. Very fine. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Yeah. And come with this yeah. Come with this. It's a spoon. I don't know how it's. See. It's somehow like it's a silicone feeding bottle that has spoon attached to it. I don't know how it's being used, but let me just check. Okay, so I think is there any one? So I will learn how to use this. Okay, so I think I will learn how to use this. I don't really know how this is being used. So we have, I think it's called being cool. I think you can pull this up. So this is it. Mama na okay. Yeah, hey, it's out. It's out. So once there is food, puree. Like I just make puree. I don't make baby puree. Put inside here, then start feeding your baby. This is the reason why I like this. This feeding bottle that comes with spoon. It's not just like every other feeding bottle. It's silicone. Okay. It's silicone, then it's good like when you're traveling and your baby is very hungry. You can just put your puree. If you can even put pap, you can put your pap inside and press it out, feed your baby, press it out, feed your baby. So it's very good. I love it. And then my husband has been expecting this because he really like this. So yeah, cover it back. Okay, it's very easy. You're not using, once you use, you just open. Okay. When you are done using, you see. Once you see, you lock. When you are done using it, you lock it. Just put it and lock it. Sorry, Mama, and lock it back. You don't press it and lock it back. So when you want to open it, I think you just pull it up like this. It's all. Then when you're done, you lock it back. So. And that's, I don't know what this thing is. Oh, where is that thing? Mama, where is that thing? Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think come with this. I don't know if it's a gift, but this is not part of the order. I think it's a gift and we are given a gift. It's the gift that comes with it. This one is so nice. This is the gift. So nice. I love this. Hey, this is also a bowl. I love this bowl. So this is gifts. Okay, I think we didn't buy this. This was given to us as a gift. from them, from Jaden. All right, so we got this as a gift. You can see how beautiful it is. This is a spoon. Let me move it on the line. Okay, so the spoon. Silicone, I love it. So beautiful. Honestly, so beautiful. See? It's a silicone. It's a silicone. So fine. So, and this is so lovely. This is also a gift. So lovely and beautiful. I love it so much. It also comes with spoon and fork. It's very fine. I love it. I love this. Alright. So stop, give it to me. That's nylon. You don't eat nylon. I'm happy I got my order so fast. Okay. All right, so I don't know what do you think? I got this Weaning set on sales, and I got it at the rate of 25,000 naira on sale. So what do you think? Is it cheap? Or well, to me, I love it. I don't care about the money if it's cheap or not, but the fact that I wanted them, the fact that I want them, honestly, the fact that I want this suction bowl, so I'm good to go with the price. What do you think about the price? So, or what do you think about this bowl? You can just tell me at the comment, put it down in the comment section, okay? And the reason I just have to buy it, because if I'm to buy them separately, I was using a cup before this thing arrived. So since it arrived now, I'll stop using the stainless cup. So if I'm to buy this thing separately, like if I'm to go out and buy all these things separately, I was paying close to 15,000 naira. So why can't I just buy? And I won't even get this silicone. Like I'm to get all this cup that has feeder, and if I'm to buy this matcha house, I think it's 2,500 or 3,500. So if I'm to buy this feeding bowl will like 5,000 naira, a good feeding bowl, and it won't be silicone though, but at least be a little bit okay. Then if I'm to buy, so you get, I was paying close to 15k or roughly 18,000. So why can't I just buy what I know I'll enjoy? Even if she's up to 2 years, she'll still be using all this book. Okay, so that's the end of our video. If you like, see these you can see it's very fine. See how beautiful it is. So fine, you can see. So that's the end of our video. If you like this video, please comment, like our video, subscribe to our channel, and share our video. Okay, all right, bye. That's the end of our video. See you next time. Bye.